Gathering all your important content into one website can be really challenging, especially if you're not a web designer and it takes you hours and hours to do so. But what if there is a way where you can just copy and paste links into a web browser and the page will be built for you? Well, we have the platform for you because FYI is launching with PitchGround, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create all your important content within just seconds. So let's dive in and take a look. Once inside your account, there is not much more that you need to do. As you can see here in the middle of the screen, you will have the option to paste all your links here. And once those links are pasted in, you will see that the page will be created right on the spot. So let me grab a few videos and a few blog posts that are relevant to my niche, as I'm in conversational marketing. So let me grab them and let's see how that works. So I just grabbed all the links, let's paste them in. And as you can see, soon as I paste them in, you will see that all the relevant links are being added, right? And you can see it all happening in real time. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to fetch all the details, but you can see how it's fetching the featured image, how it grabs all the details, the titles, and also have the meta description as well, both on the blog articles as well as on the videos. So this is fantastic, and it allows you to really create a page with all the relevant content that is most important to you. If we take a look at the bottom, you will see that we have two options. We can create a new smart list or append to a smart list. So let's say we're going to create a new smart list. From here, you can customize your smart list link preview. This will be the metadata. And then you can give a title and a description. So we could say something like this: conversation marketing essentials, and then also include a description if we want to. And once you're done, just press confirm, and then the smart list will be created. And there you go. Your smart list was created successfully. To access your smart list and share it with your friends, click on the button below. So let's open this. It will open in a new tab. And it is really easy to manage as well, because if you take a look, these are articles, right? So soon as a subscriber presses this, they will go to the relevant article. But if we go back, you will see that they're also containing videos. Just watch the videos directly inside of the browser itself instead of going to YouTube. And a fantastic feature is that soon as you pause a video, you will not get the relevant videos belonging to that particular user. This is great because it creates a distraction-free environment where people can just preview your content and nothing else, so they won't be distracted by going towards another video. So FYI removes the featured videos entirely and focuses on your content only. You can also open each blog or each video by just pressing the open icon, and this opens it up inside of a new tab. You can also recommend the card. So basically this is a sharing feature, and if you press this, you will see that you will be able to share it on different kinds of social media. So you will have Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, Messenger, even by email, or you can even just copy the link. So this provides an easy way for users to share content that is relevant to you, to the visitor itself, and also maybe to their audience as well. So FYI gives you a fantastic and easy way to just create pages with content that is important to you, that you want to share with the world, and it is just so easy as just copy and pasting the links inside of your browser window. It's literally that easy. So be sure to grab yourself a copy of FYI today. The link will be on top and in the video description, and give it a go yourself. Have a great day, take care, talk soon.